Good morning everyone. Today I will teach you how to make beautiful flower with paper. Are you ready? Let's start. To make this we need a scrapbook, crayon colors, Fevicol and scissor. Get your favorite color sheet, fold the paper and dry flower and cut it. Now paste the flowers. Now take another sheet and apply same process. Now apply the Fevicol and paste this flower on sheet. Now cut the green sheet for the stem and paste it. Our flower is ready. Now you can see how beautiful this flower look. I hope all the students will try it at home.